So in this video, I've got a close-up view here, but this is just a standard pillar type seat post, and I'm going to be putting a seat on it, something with just the standard rails. So it's pretty simple. Basically what we're going to need for this video, we're going to need maybe a little bit of grease and the appropriate hex key, in this case a 6mm Allen wrench, and these probably come just right out of the box pretty tight, so we're going to basically loosen that guy up. And normally we could put it just right on, but you know, we've got a lot of chrome plated bolt, and it's a steel bolt and aluminum bits and stuff here, so we're going to do a little, we've got our bolt out here, and as you can see, there's, I don't know, we got a lock washer on there, and then this little other washer, and then the threads themselves, I don't know, this might have some lubricant on it, but what we want to look for is we want to have some kind of grease, a good amount of grease on these parts here. Just gets everything tighter and keeps things from stripping out, I guess you could say. Alright, looks pretty good there. So, kind of the parts we have here, you got the upper plate that's threaded, then you got this lower plate, you got some knurled pieces, and then there's some matching knurled pieces to get the angle of your seat set. So I'm going to do, some of these are going to have maybe a concaved piece that's going to match maybe the bottom of the seat post, so I'm just going to thread this guy on, and then rather than how it would normally be, I'm going to put it sideways there, 90 degrees. You've got two little bits where the seat rail is going to sit, and then the same thing on the bottom cradle piece with the little serrated notches. So with this guy sitting 90 degrees sideways, we can just set the seat right on top of there, and I'm just going to raise this up, spin it back 90 degrees, get everything set, and then I'm just going to mock it up. Let me back out here just a little so we can see this seat. Alright, it's always good to, maybe if you have something in the background, or you can put a level on here, it's always a good starting point to just set it nice and level. Doesn't really look level in the video. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, that's actually pretty level. So I'm gonna, if you know where you're gonna set it, that's all great. And from here, you kind of want to hold that piece. You can just spinning the Allen wrench, and maybe put it middle of the rails, or some people like them like that, some people like them like that. I'm just going to set it right in the middle. It's all up to you, it's your option. And then just tighten this guy down. Make sure your piece in there is like set correctly and engaged. Some posts are going to have like maybe 2 5mm, some have a couple bolts here, but it's all basically, you've got some type of a cradle that pivots one way or the other, and you can pretty much do that same thing on most of them, but this is a pretty common one on old school type bikes, maybe bikes from the, I don't know, however far back, 70s, 80s, 90s. It's a pretty common style, just a single bolt pillar style. And probably you want to get this somewhere around, I don't know, this one doesn't have a torque spec, but I would probably say somewhere around 6-7 Newton meters, somewhere in there. If it says on your post, and I would go off of that, but just gonna cinch her down here, and that's it. Good to go. Thanks for watching.